Hi, I'm Madam Eileen. When I'm performing at parties, not only do I like to put on my happy eyes, but I like to make my lips extra sparkly. One way I do that is I make glitter lips. The first thing you need is you need a, a lip color that's a liquid, and it's one of those Colorstays. It'll stay on for 24 hours. 18 to 24 hours is the best. And you need to get cosmetic glitter. Don't confuse it with craft glitter. Craft glitter is made differently from cosmetic glitter. Cosmetic glitter is cut in such a way, the way they make the fine particles is if it does get in your eye, your eye won't be harmed. But craft glitter, the way it's cut, it's just cut to be extra sparkly. That can actually cut and hurt your eyes if it gets anywhere near there, or might scratch and irritate your skin. So never use craft glitter on your face. The cosmetic glitter that I have right now is Ben Nye and red. I have red because I normally wear red lipstick to go match with the red lining on my apron and the red in my hat. So this is how we do it. You mix up. Oh, this is my favorite Colorstay by Revlon, but I believe there are other lip colors that are also long-lasting out there. I think Maybelline has one. I really like their red. So first I do one or two applications, one to make sure everything's colored, and a second one to make sure that it's all wet, because when you put on glitter, the glitter sticks to anything that's wet, and because this is a lip paint, it will actually harden and hold the glitter to your lips. First application on the bottom. Next application on the lips. Match the corners by smashing your lips together. Now for the really wet part. Make it liberal and thick. All right, now I just take a dry face paint brush. Old brushes work really good. You just need something with wide bristles at the end that can catch the glitter. And you start by tapping it on. When you push your lips out, it creates creases. But it also helps cover the area the quickest. And then you tighten your lips outwards, flattening the creases, and you drag the brush across. Now we get to the top and do the drag. These lips are great if you're performing, singing, but if you're going to eat or drink, I recommend you don't. If you eat, the glitter will rub off, so it's best to take small bites, and in your drinks, use a straw. So those are glitter lips. Have a fun party!